In today's video, I will make a full review of Dollah, a brand new website where they claim you can earn up to $20 per day. I will go through all the steps to earn points, withdraw a payment, and show you my payment proof. To claim your first 100 points, click on the link in the description below and then head to the top right corner to sign up with your email address or log in with your Google or Twitter account. Before I go into more detail about this website, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I upload new videos at least once a week with many different ways to make money online, and I often show you my personal payment proof. I am now logged into Dollah, and the first thing you can see on the homepage is that it only took approximately 17 minutes for the average user to request their first cash out. The average user earned $2 yesterday, and over $13,000 were earned overall since this website launched. So far, I earned 1,141 points, and I will show you how you can earn them. 1,000 points is worth $1, meaning I have $1.14 worth of points. First, let's go to the cash out section where you can see all the different ways to withdraw your points. At the time of recording, you can only withdraw some cryptos: Litecoin, Dogecoin, and Bitcoin. With Bitcoin, the minimum withdrawal amount is 5,000 coins or $5. 166 coins fee will apply. With Dogecoin, the minimum is 1,500 coins or $1.50, and the fee is 126. However, with Litecoin, the minimum withdrawal amount is only 500 coins or 50 cents, and there are no fees at all. So that's what I will choose for this video to withdraw my payment. For those who have been following my channel for a while, you will notice that Dollah looks a lot like Free Cash, which is another similar website where you can earn real cash by completing surveys and offers. Their cash out methods are also very similar to what you can see on Dollah, and the minimum withdrawal amount is also 500 coins or 50 cents when you withdraw via Litecoin. I will put the link of this video in the description below where you can earn another 100 free coins by joining through my link. Back to Dollah, if you want to withdraw some cryptos, you will need a crypto wallet, and for this case, a Litecoin wallet. If you don't have one, you can join Coinbase where they will provide you with one for free. Make sure to join through the link in the description below to get the equivalent of $10 worth of Bitcoin when you trade $100 worth of cryptos. Once you create your accounts there, simply go to Send and Receive on the top right corner, then click on Receive. You can skip this and skip this too. Click on Asset and then type LTC for Litecoin. Select it and that's it. You can now receive payments in Litecoin from this wallet. Click here to copy your wallet, then go back to Dollah and paste your wallet address in here. Make sure there is no error or space in between, as if you enter a wrong wallet address, your withdrawal will be lost. I will withdraw the total amount of coins I have, which is 1,141, and I should receive this amount of Litecoin. I will make a quick Google search to make sure this amount of Litecoin is worth about $1.14. So as you can see, this is worth exactly $1.14. Back to Dollah, I will now withdraw this amount to my Coinbase account. My withdrawal is now being processed. This should be quite fast, and I will show you at the end of this video once I receive it. There are many other ways you will be able to withdraw from this website, including Amazon, iTunes, Google Play, PayPal, and so much more. For gamers, you will also have some options to get some free skins for Counter-Strike, Fortnite, etc. This website is still very new, so by the time you watch this video, those payment methods could be available by then. Now that I showed you how to redeem your points, you need to know how to earn them. In the Earn section, you will have a list of different offer walls where you will be able to complete tasks such as playing games on your phone, watching videos, signing up to websites, etc. If you've been following my YouTube channel for a while, you will recognize most of these offer walls. However, there are two very new offer walls. The first is Monlix, that I mentioned before on one of my previous videos, which is a very high paying offer wall. There you have some games to earn over 58,000 coins or 53,000 coins, etc. You can play those games on either Android or iOS. Surveys here pay quite well on average in my experience, and that the ad section is an easy way to earn a few extra coins. You won't earn much from here, but the task is simple. Just click on any ad here and earn coins. Here I can earn 0.60 coins. Once you click on Watch Ad, you just need to wait for the green bar to complete. Once complete, just close the tab and that's it. The offer is completed. You can see I now have 1.22 coins. I had 0.62 coins earlier, as I withdrew all the other coins 2 minutes ago to my Coinbase account. The other brand new offer wall I want to show you is called Time Wall. You will need to sign up through Google or Facebook, if I remember correctly. I already signed up through Google, and the first thing you want to do is then complete your profile. So these are very basic info they need from you, including your name, address, date of birth, etc. I just completed this section, and now I need to complete the introduction survey to unlock more surveys. I will also earn 100 points for doing so. So that's a list of 30 questions to go through. Based on this question, this seems to be about making sure you properly read questions before answering. So I'll pause the recording and finish this up. I'm now at question number 10, and I just wanted to show you that so far, these questions are exactly what I thought. A way for them to make sure you properly read questions before answering. Here, for example, they talk about speeding, which is a term used by survey providers to describe users who just click on any random answer to go through surveys faster. The correct answer here is speeding will get my account banned. So I'll pause the recording again and get back to you once I finish. All done, and I passed the test with a score of 100%. I don't feel that proud because the questions were extremely easy. Anyways, 100 points have been added to my Time Wall account, and I can now access more surveys. They seem to pay quite well on average and state how long each survey should take you to complete. So I was browsing around while I paused the recording earlier and noticed you need to reach at least 1000 points to transfer the points from Time Wall to Dollah. The next section is called tasks. There are lots of red warnings here, but basically they say that all the tasks performed are monitored by Time Wall staff, and if you submit rubbish, that's the word they use, or incorrect proof, such as random screenshots, photos of yourself, or anything completely unrelated to the task, your Time Wall account will be disabled and you will lose all your earnings. At least you are warned that if you wish to complete tasks here, you should make sure to complete them properly. If a task is too hard for you, or you don't understand it, just skip the task and don't attempt to submit random things. Okay, so once you understand that, just tick the box and continue to tasks. For the first one listed here, I believe you need to sign up to SuperPay, which is a survey website I made a review about on my channel. The task here is to sign up through the link and earn points. I'm not sure about the full extent of the task to complete, but it says you will earn 12,000 points and that it should take 4 minutes to complete. The next one is similar, where you need to sign up to a website and earn 1,800 points. Here you can watch 2 YouTube videos, comment, subscribe to earn 230 points, and they say it should only take 2 minutes. So there are a lot of different tasks to earn points. I would advise you to browse this section and complete some tasks to earn some points. This looks pretty interesting to me and very different than most offer walls. Now the other way to earn here is by clicking. In this task, you will get paid to click on links from advertisers and view their webpage until the timer runs out. Here I can earn 14 points by clicking on this page for 5 seconds. So let's try it. They just credited me 14.7 points. My balance is now at 115 points and I need 1000 to redeem them. I will try to complete this later after I finish recording this video. So on Dollah, you also have a service section that includes CPX Research and BitLabs. The one in the middle unlocks at level 10. I'm not exactly sure how this works, but I know I'm currently at level 2. My guess is that you need to earn a certain amount of points to level up, and then you'll have access to this survey provider as well. You can see your level by clicking on the arrow on the top right corner and hit Profile. Something I almost forgot to mention is that for every survey you complete, your points will be on hold for 24 hours. In the support section here, you can see I completed a survey 2 days ago worth 392 coins, and yesterday another 643 coins. Basically, for each task performed on Dollah, your offer or survey needs to be reviewed by one of their staff. I've only completed 2, and they have both been approved, as you can see. Another way to earn from this website is by earning the most amount of points possible. In the leaderboards tab, you will see what I mean. This competition is daily, and right now, there's a bit more than 10 hours left to end up first. This user here already earned over $17 by completing surveys, offers, or tasks, and will earn an extra 10,000 coins if no one else earns more before the end of the day. The second will earn 5,000 and the third 3,000. The last way to earn more coins is by referring users. When you refer a friend, you will receive 5% of their earnings for life. Referred friends will also receive a bonus of 100 coins when they sign up. Just copy the link here and share it with anyone you know that wants to earn some extra cash online. So I will now pause the recording and get back to you once I receive my payment. I'm back, and I actually received my payment less than 10 minutes after I paused the recording. I received this email from Coinbase confirming I received Litecoin worth €1.10, or the equivalent of $1.14. I already connected to my Coinbase account, and you can see I received it on May 14th, 2022 at 1:56 p.m. To sum up, Dollah is a legit way to earn some extra cash. Payments are fast, and I love the fact that they have a different way to earn with Time Warp. The offer I went through earlier, where you can earn by completing random tasks. At the time of recording, you can only withdraw some cryptocurrencies, but they should shortly release many other ways to withdraw your points. Let me know what you think of this new website in the comment section, and I will see you next week for another video.